James Galway, Climbing Rose. Moonlight in Paris. Queen of Sweden. Sally Holmes. Silas Marner. Our Lady of Guadalupe. Windermere. Not really sure. Unknown. Oops. Apricot drift. Belinda's blush. Peach drift. Metabolus. Honeymoon, Climbing Rose. Hurricane Katrina, aka Peggy Martin. Crown Princess Margarita, Climbing Rose. Knockout roses. This is like Indian or Iroquois something or other. Is there a little past bloom? These are prettier over here. Knockout. These are the best performing knockout roses I have ever had. Here's a pretty one. If my iPhone would focus. They're on a hibiscus. Can't believe there's a straggling camellia couple of blooms. This one's a green tea tree, Sasanqua. More apricot drift roses. And this is what's left of the remaining roses on the old blush. Cracker rose. Cannas. It's like a salmon canna. These things are horrible. And then we have some salvia here. Look at this. This one's pretty tall. Oh, and this is my favorite. It smells like heaven. It's grown up above the lamppost. It's jasmine. Check out this bee. What? on the salvia, doing its thing. It's huge.